Okay, I want to demonstrate for you, and I hope I can do it well, these new solder connections. They're also heat shrink tube in the same piece, and it's all done using your heat gun. See if I can get these together without getting in your way too much. You have to slide them together and get your wires pushed into that solder connection in the middle so that they're overlapping. Sometimes it takes a little bit of doing, but not bad. There we go. You see that? Now, all I gotta do is turn on my heat gun. And you watch that solder in the middle. See that? Just like that. That's all there is to it. A little swing to each side. Done. Can you see that in there? Alright. Now I'm going to heat it up and you'll get a real close-up of it. Ooh, and the tape would melt around it. Well, let's just do this. Now watch. There it is, all done. Okay, we've got our wiring all tied together. I haven't put this in loom yet, but I wanted to make sure it's going to work. And you can't see it, but my neutral safety switch is on. And let's press the start button and see what happens. I'm going to pull the choke up a little bit. There it is. I'm probably running out of gas because I got the gas tank in the wrong place. Yeah, I am running out of gas. But that's okay. You heard it. It started. Now we can start putting things back together, including our brakes, which came in today. There we go. Alright, so we'll get our electrical problems taken care of. Next thing to do, like I said, is to get on with the brakes. You keep hearing the acorns falling on my head. Yeah, this is just a small sampling on my ramp, which is just outside my door. And they're all over the place. Yes, sirree, Bob, they surely are. All over the place. Glad for the shade in the summertime, though. And we still got quite a bit of shade at the moment. As you can see, there's another one whacking. I actually got hit right on the head with one yesterday when we were out breaking down tires outside. I got 2 broken down and 2 new tubes put in, but I gotta figure out a way to get the back side of these big tires broken down. You saw me using my box blade. Well, that worked for one side, but it's not always getting the other side released. I need a different setup. But we'll get it. We'll get it.